Okay, so we're wrapping up chapter 9 today with section 9.6, and there's only two vocabulary words for this section. So the first one is inverse of sine, cosine, and tangent. And so when given the lengths of a side of the triangle, you can use the inverse function to find the actual angle. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. This inverse is to the -1. This will help you find the angle degree. And so you just set it up where it's cosine, but because I don't know what my angle is, it'll be the inverse that we use. To solve a right triangle, solving a right triangle means that you determine all the missing angles and side measures of a right triangle. So they'll give you they'll give you 2 or 3 pieces of information, and from there you should be able to find the other angle and side measures.